This is the biggest college drone racing event that exists. This is the top pilot, the top tier.
It's the 2025 National Collegiate Drone Racing Championships, hosted at Carolina.
Drone racing is kind of funny to explain. You go through the same pattern of the gates, and whoever completes 3 laps the fastest is the winner.
They're quadcopters. They have small cameras on them that provide a feed back to the goggles.
They're blindingly fast. It's almost impossible to watch them from the sidelines. What you have to do is pull it up on a big screen TV, and that way you can see exactly what the pilot is seeing. There are 60 pilots here from 15 universities. We had a Canadian team out. We have teams from Duke, Virginia Tech, Georgia Tech, from Northeastern. There were a couple from Oregon, from California.
The course here was super fun. The competition here was pretty fierce. The biggest challenge of a race like this is keeping the mental aspect of it under check. That's honestly even harder than building the drones or like making the software work on them. It's all really a mental game.
We don't have a drone team yet. We're building one. We have the Carolina Drone Club, unofficial currently. But as soon as we have a president and vice president, we're off and running. I think this event was crucial. We had a lot of attendees come out.
I think it's a big deal. Other universities like Purdue and Georgia Tech host it. The enthusiasm by the schools and the racers sort of communicates how important it is. Thanks to Carolina for hosting something a little bit outside the norm.
With the push towards engineering at UNC, this is a great opportunity for us to show off our skills, what we can do, and host it and bring some attention to the sport. Drone racing is accelerating exponentially.